Hello everyone, Fabian here. So today we're gonna go over our code, our application, and lastly we're gonna do a walkthrough to our app. So to begin, our code is separated into 5 different sessions. Okay, 4 of them being tabs, and last one being the sidebar. To begin our code, one of the things that I struggled with a lot was storing when a user liked the game and storing that he liked that game. That was something that was difficult for me to do. Next, we have the page setup, pretty simple. A lot of the theme that I play around with our application was done through a different file. Here, I play around with the colors and the text size. We have the title, subheader is an API call. I use Rapid API, which is the only one that I can find for football or soccer stats. And the next we have some URLs. Our first tab, which is overview tab, okay, which is separated into different columns. I ended up deleting some columns, so the numbering might be not following each other. But if whenever the highest scoring individual of that match will have a W right next to it. I tried putting a arrow, but it didn't look aesthetically good. This year is just creating some space from each row because it was too tight to each other. This down here is basically the layout for that row. This is gonna represent a team. This is gonna represent the other team. And then next we have a video that's right next to it. Okay. And lastly, we have a dislike and like button. You will see that. We have an exception, so if for some reason the data couldn't load, we're gonna get a error message. We have a feedback submission. This is the player tab. In the player tab, we had to save the league. That was hard to find the league in the league ID. The standing tabs. Now over here is where the bar chart is shown in the regular table, and this is what it's gonna show throughout it. We go a little quickly based on time. We also added a map, okay, and the map is a representation of the 20 teams that are on the league where they are located. Okay, this is where we get to the sidebar. In the sidebar is we're gonna show the likes, okay, that the user which video they liked. Now let's go to the application. Here's our application for today. Okay, again, this is the overview page. Okay, it's linked to the videos. Right, you could like or dislike a video, you'll get a match, and then if you click here, it's gonna show you which video you liked. Okay, you go to dislike a video, it's gonna give you a message that you dislike it. The videos work, so once you click on it, it's gonna show you the highlights of that match. And I also added here a suggestion feedback, which was hard to do a submission button with it. Although we figured it out. Next, standing. Okay, standings. Here was we have the table. If you want to see the whole entire teams of that league, you go up to the 20. You see all 20. If you just want to see the top 5, click here. You see the top 5. You also have a part short, which not as much information is the points based on points. Who's in first place, last place, and so on. You also are able to choose the color. So let's say you want to choose red. It should reflect red on the bars. And we have a players search. Okay, automatically is Manchester. That was my first place team. But you can look up other. Running out of time. Newcastle. And lastly, we have a map. Okay, a map. This league is in England, and this is where the stadiums are. So thank you so much.